lesson that we're going to learn today, students will be learning the 2 times table as a review from yesterday's lesson. For example, I'm going to write 2 times 1 on the board. My students are going to respond with 2. I'm going to continue on with this trend by saying 2 times 2 equals, and they're going to say 4. This is going to continue on up to the number 10. So it's going to go 2 times 10 equals, and they're going to say 20. So moving on to today's lesson. Welcome 3rd graders. We're going to go right over here. You guys can come on closer so you all can see. We are going to do the 3 times table up to the number 10. So starting with 3 times 1 equals, well, who knows? So as we learned previously, any number times 1 equals itself. So then 3 times 1 is going to equal 3. So let's move these cookies out of the way. We have 3 cookies here, one group of 3 cookies, which equals a total of 1, 2, 3 cookies. But what if we have 2 groups of 3 cookies? Let's add these back into the equation here. Now, we have 2 groups, 1, 2, of 3 cookies each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, what are we going to do? Well, we can just add these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 is the same as saying 3 plus 3. And that is how we can relate addition to multiplication. So now we have a total of 6 cookies. All right, students, you can sit back down now. We're going to move on up here. So, as we just learned, any number times 1 equals itself. So 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2, we just went over that. We have 2 groups of the 3 cookies down there. That is going to equal 6 total cookies, as we just learned down here. So we have 3 times 3, which is going to equal 9. So, students, can you tell me if you see a pattern here?
Plus 3.
Right, exactly. So we have 3 plus 3 in order to get to 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. These products here, these are called products, which is our multiplication problem, and then the products, which is what this problem equals. So moving on, we have 3 times 4 equals, well, how are we going to figure this out? What would you do to this number to figure out this problem?
Plus 3.
Exactly. So 9, 10, 11, 12. We just added 3. So then 3 times 4 is going to equal 12. So, again, students, can someone different? How about Billy? Can you tell me what 3 times 5 would equal based on what we stated here?
Is it 15?
Exactly. Perfect. So 3 times 5 would equal 15. We're going to move on up here. We have 3 times 6. Let's think about the cookie example. If we have 6 groups of 3, what would that equal?
Is it 18?
Exactly. 18. So, 15 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals, well, what's 3 plus 18?
21.
Exactly. Good Great job, third graders. We just have a couple more problems to go. So, how about 8 groups of 3? What would this look like? Well, it would be 8 groups of 3. So, 3 plus 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 3. That's 8 groups. So, what would that be? 21 plus 3.
24.
24. Exactly. All right, moving on. 3 times 9 equals...
I don't know.
You don't know? All right, let's look back here. We have 24. So we have, all right, let's go up here. We have 18. What did we do to 18 to get to 21?
Plus 3.
Okay. What did we get? How did we get to 24 from 21?
We added 4.
Did we? How do we get from 1 to 4?
Oh, we added 3.
Exactly. Now, what would we do if we cover this up? To get from 4, what are we going to do? So we added 3 here. So should we add 3 again?
Yes.
Okay, so what is 4 plus 3?
7.
Yeah. So then we're going to keep that 2, and it's going to be 27. So we just have one more problem to go, third graders.
That's on my birthday.
Oh, good for you. All right. So we have 3 times 10 equals...
That one's hard.
That is hard because it's a double-digit number. But we're just going to do the same thing that we've been doing. So 27 plus 3 would equal...
30.
Perfect. Now we have the 3 times table listed up here. So, how about you repeat after me? 3 times 1 equals 3.
3.
Times
1.
equals
3.
perfect. Repeat with me. 3 times 2
equals 6.
3
3
times 3 equals 9. 3
times
4
equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15.
All right.
3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30.
All right, great job, third graders.